Hello, good evening, mic test. Hello, hello, good evening, mic test. Hello. So, kumusta po yung audio natin? So, comment lang po kayo kung naririnig niyo po ako. Good evening. Hello, Sir Ronel, Sir Benj. Good evening, Sir Manix. Yes, Paranaque City represent. Wow, Sir Benj from Lapu-Lapu City. Ayos. So, I think familiar ka doon sa UTrade team namin din. May masisipag kaming mga UTrade team din. Sila Miss Paula. Sila. Hello po. Alright. So, good evening everyone. So, welcome to the special webinar entitled Riding the Market Volatility May 2020 edition. Alright. So, I'm Cristopher San Pedro. So, I'm the UTrade Technical Analyst. I'm the one in charge sa Traders Game Plan. So, if you're a regular client of UTrade, I'm the one in charge for the daily reports, technical analysis. So, entitled the Traders Game Plan. Okay? So, nakaka-receive po ba kayo ng mga email? Alright, thank you Sir Manix. Audio is okay. Yeah. So, kung regular client kayo na UTrade, so daily nakaka-receive kayo ng email na Traders Game Plan. I'm the one in charge of doing it. Okay. So every morning I trade in the stock market. So from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. regular time yan. So but right now short-term trading are start because of the ECQ. So it's from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay. Then after trading, yeah. So I do this test. So I'm a gamer. And I'm also a minority owner of Sebna Esports. So, if you're familiar with us, so we are one of the top teams sa Rainbow Six Siege, and then CS:GO, yung team namin. So, we managed to made it to the top 4 last year sa CS:GO. So, yeah, that is what keep me busy pagka tapos ng trading. So, I'm a gamer, certified gamer. Okay, for my social media account, so you can get in touch with me sa link below. Okay. So, yeah, let's go. Questions to ponder. Okay. How do you see the market this month? Okay, we're going down. Are we going back to 4,000? Are we still going to sideways range consolidation pa rin ba market? So are we going to break 5,900 and 6,000 para mag-resume ang uptrend, yung strong bounce ng market? Next question, what stocks to buy and sell? Anticipation to that, what stocks to buy and sell? Ano pwede natin bilhin? Ano pwede natin mga ibenta? Next question, will it be a sell in May and go away? So this is a seasonal trend during May. So there are times kasi na nagko-correct ang market during May. Okay, a couple of times historically yan. So will it happen again this year? Last but not the least, last question to ponder is, how can we ride the market volatility? Okay. Alright. Hello? Hello? Sorry. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I turned off the background music. Okay. Sorry. So, in-adjust ko na. Okay. Alright. So, with that, with those, okay, ulitin natin. Alright. So, total, malakas yung background music. I apologize to that. Hindi ko na minimize. Okay? Alright. Questions to ponder before we start the presentation. How do you see the market this month? Okay? Are we going into a range? Are we going back to March 2020 lows and 4,000 levels? Are we going upward na ba? So, are we going to test 6,000 from here? Okay? So, what stocks to buy and sell? Okay, anticipation to that. Anong pwede nating bilhin, anong pwede nating ibenta. So, anong opportunities? Okay. Will it be a sell in May and go away? So, sell in May and go away is a seasonal trend that happens every year. So, couple of times kasi during May, nagko-correct ang market because some fund managers are already done liquidating so their position. So, they will go into a vacation in preparation sa summer break sa US and sa Europe. Okay? So, yun. Alright. Alright. Okay na yung audio. Alright. So, alright. And last question, Vipa. So how can we ride the market volatility? Okay, okay. So we have these questions to ponder. All right. And moving on with these questions, I've decided na ito yung magiging agenda ng presentation natin. So I have decided to divide the presentation into three parts. Okay. So we will have first is global and the local markets review. Second is how can we ride the market volatility? So how can we strategize this month? Okay? How can we strategize this month to ride the market volatility? So I will present with you some strategies and stock picks that we can ponder and we can review for this month. Okay? And last but not the least, so given siya yung trend, di ba? Siya yung trending news in the past few days. Okay? So ABS-CBN post-trading suspension game plan. Okay? So given alam natin merong news sa ABS-CBN and currently suspended ang trading sa stock niya. So let's strategize. So how can we ride the volatility of ABS-CBN once mag-resume ang trading niya sa market? All right? So first, let's go with global market review tayo. Okay? So global markets, we will review the Dow Jones. We will review alam ko, meron ba sa inyo nagbi-Bitcoin? Anyone here trading Bitcoin? So, yun. So, we will review the Bitcoin. And then, we will also review oil and gold. Okay? Right? So, I will make this presentation medyo dynamic. Okay? On the right side, I will place the PowerPoint presentation. And on the left side, pakita natin yung charts. Okay? Alright, bear with me. Alright. So, let's go with the Dow Jones. Okay? Alright. Okay? So what can you see in the Dow Jones? Okay? Di ba? So the Dow Jones, kakaroon siya ngayon ng bullish consolidation on this one. Since April. Okay? Since April, nagkakaroon siya ngayon ng bullish consolidation. Alright? And last March, na-establish yung short-term bottom niya here at 18,217.74. Last March 23. Okay? From March 23, nagkaroon siya ng strong bounce all the way to 24,800 levels. And right now, ngayong May, so we can say nagkakaroon siya ngayon ng consolidation. What's the trend? Trend is definitely ngayon bullish siya. Uptrend pa rin siya. Okay? So we can expect the Dow Jones to range between the support levels 23,000 and 23,417. And expect natin the resistance zones will be here at 24,764, and we also have a psychological resistance here at 25,000. Okay? So yan, expect natin magko-consolidate siya. So as long as nag-hold tong support zones natin, so bullish bias tayo, it can test 25,000 this month and fill the gap here. Meron tayong gap dito sa 25,200 levels. So yan yung mga potential target natin for the Dow Jones. As long as nag-hold tong 23,000 and 23,800 na support, bullish bias tayo the Dow Jones sa US market. Okay? So, ano yung magpapa-negate sa bullish bias natin? So, mapapanegate sa bullish bias natin will be if the Dow Jones closes below 23,800. That would mean tapos na itong bullish yung bullish na bounce, okay, from 18,000 levels, tapos na yung bounce na yan. So we can expect babalik sa here, possible 21,000 to 22,000 levels. Okay, but for as long as nag-hold tong 23,000 to 23,800 levels, assume natin bullish pa si Dow Jones. Okay, so hopefully clear tayo dyan lahat. Sa mga kung meron dito nagte-trade sa US market, sa mga nagre-review sa US market. So, again, bullish bias tayo. So, expect muna natin may consolidation between the support of 23,000 and 4,764 levels. Okay? All the way to 25,000. Alright? Clear? Alright, punta naman tayo sa favorite ng iba dyan. So, anyone here trading Bitcoin? Okay. So, let's review the Bitcoin. Okay. Okay. So, Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin is able to test yung 10,000 last weekend, during the weekend. So, na-test yung 10,000. It went all the way to 10,074, no? Okay? So it encountered resistance dito sa 10,000. Given yan. Diba? Hindi naman pwedeng tuloy-tuloy na tataas yan. Okay? So, alright. So, ano yung support levels natin ngayon? Okay? Support levels na i-expect natin ngayon sa Bitcoins could be these levels kung saan yung mga previous na resistance zones niya. Okay? Mga previous resistance zones that could act as support. So, yan ang potential ngayon ni Bitcoin. Okay? Alright. So, moving on. So, let's identify the key levels ngayon sa Bitcoin. So, to those who are interested sa trading Bitcoin, take note on these levels. Okay? So, I think may opportunity tayo ngayon sa dips. Diba? I think kasi ang Bitcoin, na-encounter niya resistance on these levels, sa 10,000 levels. And right now, it could do a healthy pullback. Okay? May pullback zone sa ngayon dito sa 8,000 to 8,000 and 7,800 levels. Okay, in anticipation to that, to a healthy pullback, so pwede tayo mag-abang dito sa support zones na to. 7,8 to 8,1 levels. So pwede tayo dito mag-abang sa mga Bitcoin buyers here, sa mga interested mag-invest sa Bitcoin. Okay, possible kasi mag-pullback lang siya dyan at pag nag-hold ng 7,8 or 8,000 levels, expect natin meron siyang another move para i-test na itong 10,000 and 10,500. Okay, eventually, yun na yan. Yun yung possible move ngayon ni Bitcoin. Diba? So, what's the trend ni Bitcoin? So, expect natin bullish din si trend niya, no? So, yun, no? Uptrend pa rin siya. Okay? So, given bullish uptrend si Bitcoin, so, marirecommend ko is to monitor the support levels and to buy on dips dun sa support levels na yan. Okay? Hindi kayo may iwan ni Bitcoin. No rush in buying Bitcoin. Abang-abang lang tayo sa support. Okay? Alright? So, pag na-break pa ang 10,000 and 10,500, potential target ni Bitcoin could be 12,000 to 14,000 levels. Okay? But right now, let's anticipate magre-range muna here. Okay? Meron muna tayong consolidation here. Bullish consolidation. Okay? Okay? Now, we're done with Bitcoin. Punta naman tayo sa gold. Okay? So, let's go sa gold. Gold. Yeah. Alright. So, si gold. So, uptrend, downtrend. So, again, uptrend pa rin siya, no? So, since the start of the year, di ba? Uptrend pa rin ang direction ni gold, no? And nag-correct din siya no March. And since after mag-correct ni March, to test 1455 levels sa gold, nag-resume yung uptrend niya. Okay? So, how can we strategize din si gold, no? So, I expect gold, diba? Potential niya. Pwede siya mag-bullish flag formation here. So, ito yung key levels ngayon ni gold, no? So, let's anticipate support levels on 1670 and 1682. Okay? So, key support levels yan. Okay, as long as mag-hold yan, expect natin, so healthy consolidation siya, di ba? Then, after that, pwede na tong i-test yung resistance zones at 1723 and 1747. Okay? So, pwede siguro tayo mag-buy on dips on these levels. Okay? So, let's anticipate support here. Abang tayo dito sa levels ito. 1670 and 1682. And ano yung pwede nating potential target? So, moving on, tingnan natin, di ba? Ito na, 2012 highs na niya. So, it could go 170, 1750 levels na and 1780. So, itetest ang 8-year high niya. Kumbaga, 2012 na highs ni gold ang itetest natin. 2013 pala. 2012, 2013 highs. Okay, so bullish si gold given the longer time frame natin. So, expect na natin may consolidation dyan. So, we can trade this range. Okay, yung stop natin, don't forget your stop loss pag na-break tong 1670. Okay, clear with that. Huh? Take note din sa gold, sa mga nagtitrade ng gold here, sa mga nag-anticipate. Okay. Ito, main event, sobrang ano to sobrang trending to in the past few weeks as well. Di ba? Nag-negative pa nga siya, no? Nag-negative pa. Ano yun? Anong commodity yun, di ba? Oil. So, nag-negative siya, no? So, what's the fundamental reason, no? Ba't daw bumababa ang oil? So, may nagtanong kasi sa akin, relative ko, ba't bumababa ang oil, Kiko? What's happening? Diba? So, sabi ko, una, look outside. May dumadaan bang mga sasakyan? I-check mo yung airport natin. Yung mga lumilipad bang mga commercial flights? Diba? I-check mo yung mga factory, diba? Diba? Some factories na apektuhan din sila ng ECQ. Diba? So, generally, the demand for oil has been weak. And given low ang demand, mas mataas ang supply. Expect nyo na tataas ang price o bababa. That's it. Bababa. Okay? Supply and demand. Yun na, market forces lang. Okay? Maraming supply ng oil sa market given the ECQ, given these global pandemic na nag-result sa countrywide lockdown, di ba? Industry-wide lockdown in mga ng transportation industry, di ba? So, that's it. That led to it led dito sa downtrend ng oil na to. Okay? Since Feb until the end of April, no? Naging downtrend tong si oil. And nag-bottom siya. Okay? We believe ito na, may-establish yung support here near $10 per barrel. Okay? Nagkaroon tayo ng double bottom here near $10 per barrel. Okay? And from there, nagkaroon ng bounce. Okay? Katulad ng nangyari sa market natin ng March. Katulad ito nung nangyari sa PSEI index noong March. Nung na-test yung 4,000 levels natin. Okay? So, right now, we can assume, sige, ito muna yung nagkaroon na ng strong support dito si oil. At ito na ngayon yung bounce niya from $10.28 per barrel. Okay? And eventually, itetest nyo ngayon itong mga previous na resistance levels natin. Okay? And we can identify that as, ito na, key levels, $20.31 per barrel. Meron tayong gap dito. Okay? And then, ito pa, next, previous resistance here, at 23.88. Yan. So, assume natin, itong mga previous resistance zones natin, ito na ngayon yung magiging support niya to support our assumption na magtutuloy itong bounce ni oil. Okay, key resistance levels. Ano yung mga previous resistance niya during April and March? Ito, 29.10 and dito na, 32.5. Okay? Okay? So, expect natin ano yung magiging bullish bias natin sa oil. Okay? Ano yung bullish trigger pa? As long as pag nag-hold pa tong 28.32 to 29 levels. Okay? Expect natin mag-fill ang gap dito sa oil. Ano yung gap si oil? Dito, 41.04. Okay? So, yan. Okay? Binibigyan ko na kayo ngayon ng heads up. Okay? As long as magtuloy-tuloy itong uptrend ni oil, expect natin mukhang tataas ang gasolina na. Okay, pataas na yung crudo natin dito sa local market, di ba? So, let's see. Okay, right now, ito muna yung range natin. Okay, critical tong range na to, 20.31 and 23.88 support. Resistance at 29.10 and 32.5. Pagka na-break yung resistance zones niyan, kaboom. Expect nyo, ito na, pag nagbalik $30 per barrel ng oil, ito na yung next target natin, 41.04. That's our bullish bias. Ano naman yung bearish bias natin? Pag nag-break siya at 23 levels, ito na yan. Mag-fill the gap tayo rito at $20.31 per barrel all the way to 19. Okay? So, yun ang aabang-abangan natin ngayon sa oil. Okay? Assuming ito na talaga, nag-bottom na siya dito sa $10 per barrel, maganda ang potential to ni oil. Lalo na pag bumalik to sa $40 to $60 per barrel. So, merong opportunity dito yung mga medium to long term traders. Okay? Pero mga short term traders, ang inaabangan nila, pag nag-breakdown tong oil sa $23 per barrel, for sure may volatility ulit yan. Expect nyo, pwede nyo i-short yan. Then cover dito sa $20 per barrel na support hanggang 20.85. So that what's make the global market very interesting because you can do dual strategy, di ba? You can buy low and sell high, long strategy, pag bullish. Pag bearish naman ang scenario nyo, you can short the stock. You can sell high and buy low, kabaliktaran mo. So hopefully, magkaroon din tayo ng ganyan transition dito sa local markets. Alright, hopefully, magkaroon na tayo ng inaabangan ito lahat ng mga investors ngayon, mga veteranong traders, yung shorting. Kasi matagal nang hinihintayan sa local markets natin yung shorting. Para maging dynamic gumanda yung market activity volume natin. Okay? And hopefully, tuloy-tuloy ang plano ni PSE para dyan. Okay? I think it's in the pipelines naman. So, inaayos lang nila yung mga regulatory requirements. Okay? So, good luck PSE ha. We are with you sa shorting. Okay, let's go sa local market review. Ito na. I think inaabangan niyo lahat ito. Okay? Ano yung direction ngayon ng market natin sa Pilipinas? PSEI in particular. Okay? Let's go. Let's go. Okay, PSEI. Okay. So what's the direction of the PSEI? Okay? What's the direction of the PSEI? Okay? Isin muna natin itong moving average pa. Dito namin ito. Okay. What can you see? So I draw a ano tawag yan? Triangle ba yan? Rectangle? Square? Circle? Alright. Okay. Triangle ba yan? No. Alright. Just kidding. So I draw a rectangle line here. So, okay. This rectangle line signifies the range. Okay. The PSEI consolidation bias. Okay. This is the PSEI consolidation bias between 5.5 and 5.4 support levels. Take note. This is the PSEI consolidation bias indicating the 5.5 and 5.4 support levels and the resistance zones at 5.704 and 5.946. Okay, I draw a box, a rectangle line here to signify the consolidation bias. Okay, so expect natin this month, ito yung consolidation ni PSEI. Okay, and magiging bullish ang scenario natin pagka na-break niya ito. Kailangan ma-break tayo dyan sa box na yan. Okay? Kung meron tayong motto na you have to think outside the box, ganun din si PSEI. The PSEI needs to break out of this consolidation box para masabi natin matetest na itong 6,000 levels. All the way to dito. 6,000 to 6,200. Okay? And matitrigger ang bullish bias na yun if it stays above 5. Okay? Otherwise, ganyan pa rin. Expect natin magko-consolidate ngayon. Consolidation pa rin si PSEI. Okay? Alright? So, you can trade the range. No? Given, yan ang maganda eh. Pag consolidation bias, what's the perfect strategy? So, you trade the range. You buying support, you sell on resistance. Buying support, sell on resistance. Okay? Pag na-break ang resistance, you hold the stock. If the resistance remains to be the resistance, you sell the stock. Okay? If the If the PSEI breaks down sa support levels, you stop loss. Ganun talaga. Okay? And that would trigger the bearish scenario. The bearish scenario, it will be if the index closes or breaks, ba? Pag nag-close siya dyan below 5.4, below our box, that's it. That's our bearish scenario. Okay? And that could trigger yung question to ponder a while ago. Will it be a sell in May and go away? Okay? So that's it. So yun yung hinihintay na scenario for a sell in May and go away. Once we break down below this consolidation box, if we if the index closes below the 5.4 level, the 5.4 support zone, that's it. Expect na natin. Ito na yung mga next support levels natin. 5.250, 5.1. Eventually, sabi nga nila may gap pa dito sa 4.8 levels. Di ba? Ito na yun. So, yan yung magti-trigger sa sell in May and go away once we break down below this box. Okay? But as long as nag-hold ang 5.4, we can do a consolidation bias. And if we break out dito sa resistance zones na to, sa 5.9, yun ang bullish bias natin to test 6,000 to 6.2 levels. Okay? So, that's it. That's for the PSEI. Okay? So, sa mga nagbabasa ng traders game plan for the past 3 weeks, di ba? Yun yung sinasabi ko eh. So, consolidation bias tayo. Okay? If you're going for the medium to long-term investment, so you can buy on support levels ng isa selected blue chip stocks. Okay? So, as long as nag-hold tong 5.4 support zones, yun yan. So, pwede tayong lumaban. Pwede nyo na ilaban yung market. Okay? Sa mga short-term traders naman dito, sa mga chupitero, you can range trade this market. Okay? Pwede kayong bumili sa support zone, pwede kayong mag-sell sa resistance zone. Diba? Pag na-break ang resistance, saka nyo i-hold yung stock. Okay? So, yun ang maganda ngayon sa market natin. Okay? So, you can choose both short-term and long-term strategy. Basta you have to take note lang dito sa 5.4 levels. Once ma-break tong 5.4 levels, yun yung mental stop natin. Given mawawala na yung range bias and bullish scenario natin, matitrigger ang sell in May and go away. Okay? Hopefully, clear tayo rin. Okay? So, trade cautiously pa din. Okay? It's still early to say na nag-bottom na tayo. Ito na yung bottom, 4,039. Okay? Some people are asking me kasi, Kiko, did we bottom na ba on this level? Okay, since the start of April until today, my answer remains the same. Okay, inconclusive pa din. Okay, magiging bullish ako, I need to witness pa itong parameter na to at sasabihin ko sa inyo ngayon tonight. So, the first parameter for me to confirm na ito na yung bottom is for us, dapat mag-hold tayo above at least dito sa 5.9 levels at itong 6.4 levels. Okay? As long, diba? Ito kasi yung mga Fibonacci projections natin. Okay? Ito yung mga ina-expect ko na strong resistance na pag naging support na yan ng market, hindi na tayo babalik dito sa 4,000 levels. Okay? So, we monitor it pa rin day by day, week by week. So, basta, kailangan muna niya mag-hold dito sa 5.9 and 6.4. Okay? Take note of that para masabi nating ito na talaga. Nag-bottom na yung market natin. Okay? Hopefully, clear tayo ron. So, ganun muna ang strategy natin. You can range trade this market. And then, sa mga medium to long-term investors, you can, kumbaga, nibble on dips. Defensive strategy muna. You can buy but small amounts muna. Okay? Dahan-dahan muna yung pag-i-invest ninyo. Okay? Buy on support zones pa rin. Okay? And, alright. Let's go na sa second part. Okay? So, riding the market volatility, May 2020 edition. Okay? So, yeah, ito na. Questions to ponder. What stocks to buy? Ito yun. This will answer the question of what stocks to buy and sell and hold. Okay? Okay. I'm presenting you now some stocks to watch this month. Okay? So, index stocks muna tayo. Okay? So, sa mga may notebook dyan, sa mga may cellphone, ito na, picturean nyo na. Joke lang. Don't worry. I will put a replay dito sa presentation natin. So, you can watch it with your friends, diba? Sa mga friends na hindi nakapanood, don't worry, you can watch the replay. Okay? So, you can take note of these stocks that worth watching this month. Okay? Kung short-term trader ka, medium-term to long-term investor ka, ito yung mga babantayan mo na stocks. Okay, I have filtered na yung mga stocks to watch. Given ito yung magaganda yung trend niya, maganda yung indicators, moving average, RSI. Ito yung mga stocks na uptrend and nagko-consolidate. Ito rin yung mga stocks na sa tingin ko nag potential trend reversal na siya. Okay? Alright, so yun kasi yung tatanungin, di ba? Tanong nyo siguro ngayon, Kiko, ba't mo napili itong mga stocks na to? So, yun yung mga parameters na finilter out ko para mai-recommend itong mga stocks to watch for tonight. Okay? So, number 1, Ayala Corp. Number 2, Ayala Land. Okay? Number 3, Jollibee. Number 4, SM Prime. Next, PLDT. We have Globe, Pure Gold, Robinsons Retail Holdings, Meralco, and last but not the least is MPI. Okay? Okay, nagkaroon din tayo ng mga second and third liners. Okay? But these stocks are not recommended sa mga newbies. Okay? Lalo na sa mga medium to long term investor diyan. Okay? Dito yung mga ito yung mga di ko i-recommend. Ito yung mga hindi ko i-recommend sa mga newbies. Okay? Ito yung mga para sa mga day traders diyan, saka yung mga nagbabantay talaga sa market, yung may mga time magbantay sa market. Given volatile yung movement nila. Okay? Again, sa mga these stocks na second and third liners, I recommend these for the traders and investors na may time mag-monitor ng stocks nila. Okay? As much as possible, twice a day dapat binabantayan niyo yan. Okay? Alright, sa umaga, sa hapon, di ba? Dapat mabantayan niyo yung price level niya. Okay? Hindi mo kasi alam, mamaya tumaas na siya o bumaba na pala, kailangan niyo na mag-cut loss. Okay? Dapat may time kayo i-monitor itong stocks na to. Okay? Di ba? Mas maganda, hourly, binabantayan nyo. Di ba? Diba? Kung may work kayo at least twice a month, di ba? Twice a day, sorry. Twice a day, at least babantayan nyo siya. Okay? Right, number 1, AC Energy. Number 2, Ayala Land Logistics. Number 3, FB, Facebook, no, joke lang. San Miguel Food and Beverage yan, FB. Okay? Next, Home, All Home Corporation. Next is MWC. Next, Mrs. G, Metro Retail Stores Group Incorporated. We also have Now Corporation. Then SFA Semicon Philippines Corporation, SSP. Okay. And then, last but not the least, Tech, Sir Tech Holdings. Okay. Alright. So maganda, dynamic tayo. 'Di ba? Since special tong webinar na to, and first time kong i-introduce tong dynamic presentation. So lagyan natin ng chart and lagyan natin ng chart saka slides side by side para makita natin yung company and the key levels for us where to buy and where to sell. Okay? Alright. So start tayo sa mga index stocks. Okay? Alright, number 1. Yala Core. Okay? Support and resistance. Okay? So basic 'yan. Okay? Sa mga students ko, sa mga umattend ng technical analysis, 'di ba? Ng seminar. Okay? I think familiar na sila dito. Okay? Sa mga newbies na nanonood ngayon, so I would like to recommend na mag-sign up kayo sa UTrade because we do technical analysis training for free. Okay? And since may global pandemic ngayon, so I think we can launch it naman kahit online na lang muna given bawal muna mga public gatherings. So I'm preparing a presentation para maging ano siya online na training. Okay? But right now, ito 'yun. This is how we do it sa how we plan, how we strategize. Okay? Basically, I'm trying to make it simple. So support and resistance. I determine the trend. And then, from there, sa ako mag-i-strategize what to do on the stock. So, ito yung pinaka-basic way. Okay? I want this presentation muna to be simple. I don't want to include some advanced topics for tonight. So, gusto ko maintindihan nyo ngayon ito basically. I will try my best na maintindihan nyo itong chart. Diba? Sa simpleng paraan. Okay? So, okay. So, identify natin ang support and resistance, key levels. And then from there, let's strategize what to do. Okay? Should we buy on dips? Should we hold? Should we sell? Ganun yan. Doon natin mapo-formulate yan. Okay? Starting with Ayala Corporation. So, ito ngayon yung identified na key levels niya. Yung mga former resistance zones niya in the past, during the past month, ina-anticipate natin na ito na ngayon yung support zones niya. Given uptrend channel tayo, bullish tong si Ayala Corp. And given bullish ang chart niya, we anticipate ito yung support zones ngayon niya. 648 and 664. Resistance at 720 and 740. Okay, dito tayo bibili sa support. You buy on dips here. Take note of that. Buy on dips near support levels. And adjust stops pag nag-below 600 siya. Yun yung stop loss natin. Okay, pag nag-breakdown below 600 siya. Resistance target nyo, ito na, 720, 740, 767, all the way to 800. Assuming trend is your friend until it bends, tuloy-tuloy yung uptrend, maganda tong Ayala Corp. Okay, so clear tayo doon sa mga magbibili ng Ayala Corp. So take note of that. Watch the replay. Okay. Next, Ali. Okay. So, yan. So, identified. Ano yung masasabi natin kay Ayala Land? So, Ayala Land, so, just like the index, range consolidation pa din siya. Okay? In anticipation to that, you can do some range trade strategy. Okay? Identified support zones 30.75 and 32.20. So, dito tayo bibili ngayon. Okay? So, resistance zones, andito na, 33.75 and 34. Yan, ano napansin nyo, no? The stock is struggling to break out dito sa resistance zones. Ganun talaga eh. Resistance eh, kaya nga tinawag na resistance. So, this is an area na mas malaki ang selling pressure. There are more sellers than the buyers. Okay? So, given na alam natin na consolidation siya, may resistance dito, saan tayo bibili? Diba? Dito tayo bibili ngayon sa support. Diba? So, dito tayo bibili sa 32.20, saka dito sa 30.75. Dito tayo mag-aabang. Okay, target natin at least 33.75, 34.15, at pwede siyang mag-35 to 36. Diba? So, with that, swing trading tayo, range trade. Okay, sa mga gusto mag-trade ng Ali. Okay, ito, favorite to ng karamihan. Marami nagtatanong sa akin, si JFC. Okay, si JFC. Okay. So, okay, si GFC is attempting na gumawa ng potential trend reversal. Okay, yun ang good news ngayon kay GFC. Ang bad news sa kanya is, ito, nagre-resist pa talaga itong 152 levels. Okay, so given nagre-resist pa itong levels ito, identify na natin yung support zones. Okay, diba? Kung may bad news, may good news naman. Ang good news ay pwede kayong bumili. Okay, given na may support zone siya. Hindi pa kayo may iiwan ng Jollibee. Okay? Alright? So, you can do support levels. You can do trade the support zones dito sa 131 to 120. Okay? So, anticipate natin dito yung support zones ngayon ni Jollibee. So, dito kayo bibili ngayon sa 120 and 130, 131. Okay? So, yan. Diyan tayo mag-aabang. Okay, accumulate on dips near the support zones. Diba? So, bantayan nyo itong si Jollibee. Dito kayo bibili. So, dips. Diba? 131 to 120. Tingnan natin. Okay? Alright. So, after that, yun na yun eh. Ito na yung next target nyo. 152 and 160. Okay, and yun na yun. May potential bullish trigger na kayo. Given pa-break out na siya sa downtrend channel. Potential trend reversal siya. Lalo na pag nag-hold na siya above 150. But right now, ang bias natin is, pwede pa tayo makabili sa 131 to 120. You buy on dips. Okay? Okay, clear tayo ron. Next stock is Globe. Okay, yan. Yung pinaganda sa Globe, no? Pansin nyo sa Globe, no? Nagre-resist talaga itong 2,300 levels, no? Since the start of April, nagtines din ngayong start of May, talagang nagre-resist pa rin siya. What happened? Ayun, nag-correct yung stock. Diba? As long as ito pa rin yung resistance zones niya, 2,3 and 2,380, ganun yan. So, abang tayo sa support, diba? So, ano nga yun yung pwede natin maging support levels, no? Ito yun, yung mga previous na resistance ng the start of the month. Ito ngayon, ito, in-identify natin siya. So, tingnan natin kung itong globe, kung mag-hold itong 2060 and 2104, I think may buying opportunity tayo rito. So, monitor natin to. Pwede nyo siyang i-range trade. No? You buy on these zones, 2104 and 2060. Then, pag nag-resist pa din itong 23, yun talaga, sell pa rin tayo. Selling zones natin to. Pag na-break tong resistance zones na to, yun na yun. So, it can do test. Ito na. 2016 high na yan na 25 na target. Okay? So, take note natin yan sa globe. Diba? But right now, range trade muna siya. Let's anticipate some buying opportunities dito. Pag nag-hold tong 22, pag nag-hold tong 2060 levels, 2000 levels to be exact. Okay? So, next, ito na, pure gold, no? Mga hot stock to, no? Mga hot stock during the quarantine, no? Essential goods, no? Even sila yung essential goods. What happened to the stock? From 26 pesos, no? Magkano na siya ngayon? 49 pesos na close today. No? Okay, so sa mga nag-follow sa traders game plan, no, naalala niyo yung recommendation natin, no? Ito yung buy zones natin, no? 36 to 37 levels. So congratulations sa mga nakabili at nakaride. Okay, so yun. So given ito, so bullish pa din si Pure Gold, di ba? Ano yung trend niya? Definitely bullish pa din siya, di ba? Nagko-consolidate lang dito. Then ano yung ina-attempt niya ngayon, di ba? Nag-a-attempt na siya to break out of this consolidation, no? Di ba? At first akala ko bearish divergence na siya, eh. Di ba? Given nagko-consolidate dito, RSI humihina na. But in the past 2 days, malakas pa rin pala. Supported pa ng volume. So bullish bias pa rin tong si Pure Gold, no? Matindi pa rin siya. Okay, next na target ni Pure Gold, yeah. Pwede na niyang targetin to 50 levels, 50 to 51.5, no? So bakit yun ang target natin? Ito yun, eh. Mga 2018 highs na tatargetin niya. 50 to 56 levels. No? Interesting tong si Pure Gold, no? So what can we do given bullish pa si Pure Gold, no? So in anticipation to that, we buy on dips, no? We buy on dips dito sa support zones niya. 45 and 48. Okay, interesting tong si Pure Gold, no? Dito natin siya abangan. I-buy near 44.35, 45.90. Okay? Ito yung abangan natin siya. Okay? Resistance niya. So, dito na. Adjust na natin yan, no? 50.30 and 51.5 na. Okay? Adjust na natin yung resistance dyan. Okay? Okay? So, yan. So, buy Pure Gold near 45.90 and 40 na ba? Okay? Dito tayo mag-aabang. Resistance target nyo, 51.5 to 56 pa. Okay? So, dito kayo mag-aabang guys ha, sa mga bibili ng Pure Gold. Next, to RRHI. Okay. Yan. So, uptrend din, no? Uptrend, downtrend, no? Malakas din tong si RRHI, no? From na low na 44 pesos last March. Magkano na siya ngayon? 66.45, no? So, given the uptrend ni RRHI, no? So, identify natin ang key levels, no? 65 and 63. Resistance target natin at 75 and 73.5, no? Mukhang ito na itatargetin ni RRHI, eh. Yung mga 2020 high niya, 2020 high 2020 all-time high price niya yung 2020 somewhere around here sa 80 levels, no? In anticipation to that, no? Dito tayo bibili 65 and 63. Guys, diyan kayo mag-aabang sa support zones. Okay, you buy on dips here. Target nyo na is 70 and above. Okay, given bullish uptrend bias siya. Sa mga gustong bumili ni RRHI, si Robinson's Retail Holdings. Okay. Next, ito pa. Meralco. Pwede nyo i-accumulate tong Meralco. Bakit? Yan, no? Nagpo-potential trend reversal na siya, no? Kasi from 2019, no, nag-correct siya from 360, nag-correct all the way to 189 pesos, no? So, anong ginagawa niya ngayon? No? It's trying to break out of this downtrend channel. No? It's trying to stay above itong downtrend channel. Kaya ako nasabing potential trend reversal siya. And with that in mind, you can accumulate this stock. Okay, accumulate dito sa support zones niya. No? 240, 250, dito kayo mag-aabang. Okay? Diba? Mukhang lumalapit na siya doon. No? 240, 250, abangan nyo si Meralco dyan. Huh? Then resistance target would be here, 275 to 280. Okay? So as long as nag-hold siya above 240 and 250, potential trend reversal to. Okay? Ina-anticipate natin yung support zones na to. Doon kayo bibili. You accumulate on support levels. Okay? Sa mga medium to long term buyers dyan, try to accumulate this stock. Okay? Next. Pa isa. Another potential trend reversal. Ito. Si MPI. No? Si MPI. Bakit? No? So, from a downtrend channel ng November 2019, no? It's now attempting to break out na. No? Watch natin tong level na to. 3.14 pesos levels. No? Pag nag-break siya above that, yun na yun. Pwede natin masabi interesting tong si MPI. Okay, since ina-anticipate natin yung breakout niya sa 3.14 levels to become a potential trend reversal, so we buy on dips, we accumulate on dips. Okay, saan tayo mag-accumulate dito guys ha? Abakan nyo itong support zones ni MPI. 280 and 266. Okay, 280 and 266 potential trend reversal. So, potential trend reversal stock, anticipate natin ng support dito. So, dito kayo mag-aabang, dito kayo pwedeng bumili. 266 and 280. Resistance target natin, 299, 314 and above. And pwede nang i-test pa to, 370 to 380. Okay, pang medium to long term, mga medium to long term investors dyan, watch nyo na tong stock na to. Sa mga short term na chupiteros, pwede rin, no? Tingnan natin. Pwede nyo siyang i-swing, buy on dips, then sell here, 3 and above. Okay, interesting yan. Next, na blue chip. Ito, SM Prime, no? So, SM Prime, tulad ni Ayala Land, no? Ano siya? Consolidation pa rin, no? Given consolidation siya. So, buy, support, sell resistance, buy support, sell resistance, buy support, sell resistance. Okay, tandaan nyo palagi yung strategy na yun pag range trade na. So, saan ang support levels niya? Dito, 28.75 to 30. Dito tayo mag-aabang, no? Buy here, sell here. If it breaks out sa levels na yan, sa resistance zone sa 31.95, 32.45, yun na yan. Meron kayong hold na. Pwede nyo na isang i-hold. Pag nagre-resist pa rin to, yun na yan. Pwede nyo isang i-sell. Okay? Range trade strategy tayo sa PLDT. Sa SM Prime, like what we did sa ADI. Next, ito pa. PLDT, no? PLDT, why? Kasi PLDTI, another, ano tawag dyan, no? Nag-potential trend reversal din siya. No? Potential trend reversal si PLDT. No? Okay? Okay? Alright. Identify natin yung support zone si PLDT. No? Given potential trend reversal siya. Okay? Itong mga previous na resistance zones niya noong 2019, i-assume natin ngayon na ito na yung magiging support niya. Again, itong mga previous na resistance zones niya noong 2019, i-assume natin na ito na yung support zones niya. Kaya natin dinraw itong 1142 and 1170 support levels. Okay? So, dito tayo mag-aabang ngayon kay PLDT. Okay? So, yun. Lumabas pala earnings niya today, no? Negative 11% siya first quarter, no? COVID impact pa rin. So, kaya nagko-correct si PLDT. No? So, binibigyan tayo ng opportunity, no? To buy. Dahil nagkaroon ng news na apektuhan yung earnings niya. No? Kasi, nung end of 2019, no? Up siya ng 20%. No? Pero ngayon, yan na, down na yung mga earnings ng companies. No? So, in anticipation to that, yun yan. So, sige, tingnan natin kung mag-hold tong support zones dito. Diba? Kasi ngayon, ang bullish assumption natin is, ito na. So, mag-hold tong support zones dito sa 1140, 1170 para makabili tayo this month. And, yan, next na tatargetin niya ay, diba? dito na 1-3 levels. 1-3 to 1-3-7-3. Okay, yun yung mga target natin. Yun ang i-assume natin kay PLDT. Okay, healthy correction, healthy pullback, then retest the high. Retest resistance, 1-305 to 1-370. So, strategy natin would be to buy on dips, new support zones, and adjust stops if it fails below 117. Okay, yun na yan. So, adjust natin ang stop, so revise natin yan. So, ang stop levels natin pag na-breakdown na sa below dito, sa maging patient tayo. Okay, pag nag-breakdown siya ng 1-1 levels. Okay, pag nag-break siya sa dito, sa 1-1. Okay, given dito tayo bibili. So, pantayin natin tong support zone na to. Bibili tayo dito, 1142, 1170. Pag nag-break down pa siya below 111, yun yung trigger natin. Cut loss yan. Okay? Pero as long as nag-hold to, let's see, pwede tayong bumili dyan. Lalo na doon sa mga medium to long term investors dyan. Okay? Pwede natin enable on dips. Okay? Sa mga traders dyan, sa mga swing or bounce players, ito na opportunity natin. Tingnan natin kung mag-hold tong support zones here. Okay? Here tayo ron. So, let's go. Let's go sa ACPH. So, ito yung mga second and third liners, no? So, ito yung mga trade cautiously dito. Okay? Hindi ko ito marirecommend sa mga newbies, di ba? Sa mga traders sa investors na walang time mag-monitor sa market. Okay? Masasuggest ko ito sa mga active na traders. Okay? So, first is ACPH. No? So, ACPH, we believe potential trend reversal siya. So, monitor natin itong support dito. 218 and 222. Okay? And then resistance niya 238 to 248. Okay, you can buy on dips here. And then, yun na yan. Adjust natin stop loss pag nag-breakdown sa below 218. Then, ito yung target natin. Please 248 to 260. Okay? That's all ACPH. Okay, ito pa isa. So, Ayala Land Logistics and Holdings Corporation, no? So, ito, monitor natin to, no? Mukhang meron itong opportunity tomorrow or tomorrow. So, assuming mag-hold to 182 tomorrow, pwede tayong bumili, no? 180 to 182. Okay? So, ina-expect natin, range trade siya dyan. Ito yung range na ngayon, 182 and 198. Ito yung support, ito yung resistance, no? So, dito tayo bibili sa support. Then, pwede tayo magbeta 195 and 198, no? Assuming dyan pa rin yung resistance. You buy near 182, sell 195 and 198, assuming dyan pa rin resistance. Okay? You can do range trading on this one. Pag na-break tong 198, nagkaroon na siya ng strong breakout on this level, ito na yung next target natin, yung 209. Okay? So, that's it. So, that's how we can trade yung ano. Okay? Let's see. Let's see kung ano pwede pang gawin dito sa Ayala Land. Okay? So, clear tayo rin, no? Ayala Land Logistics, you buy on the support zones, you sell on resistance zones. Pag na-break tong resistance zones, you can, ano pa? We can hold this stock. Next target is 209. Okay? So, yeah, nakikita ko sa comment section na buffer daw. No? Yeah, possible internet connection po. So, let's see. Kasi you can watch na lang po yung replay. I think doon mas magiging smooth kung may na-miss man kaya. Okay? Again, pag may nami-miss kayo, given nagbabuffer yung live, given, alam mo na, yung data natin sa internet ngayon, given quarantine, mataas ang demand. So, I suggest you watch the replay, no? Kung nagbabuffer pa rin. Okay? Watch the replay, mas smooth dun. Wala nang buffer dun. Guaranteed yan. Okay? So, that's it. So, next. FB, Facebook. Nope. Joke. San Miguel Food and Beverage. Ayan, no? Wow. Ayan na. Nagparamdam na siya. Diba? I was doing this slide kasi last Saturday night, no? And ayun nagparamdam na siya today, no? Si FB, nag-close na siya at 64 pesos, no? Sige. Okay. Alright guys, so we have to monitor na this stock, no? I believe potential trend reversal na tong stock na to. Si San Miguel Food and Beverage, no? Why? Because ito na nag-a-attempt na siya mag-break out dito sa down, di ba? Yun, nag-a-attempt na siya. Safe to say, yun, yung downtrend channel, i-break out na niya. Okay? So, assuming i-attempt na niya mag-break out dyan sa downtrend channel na yan, guys, accumulate na tayo rito. Ha? Accumulate on dips na, guys. So, pag nag-correct siya, given may resistance pa naman dyan sa 65 and 61, don't worry, guys. Possible magre-resist pa yan. So, dito na tayo mag-aabang. Ha? Abang tayo 61.45 and 57.6. Okay? Yung previous na resistance, assume na natin yan ng yung support zones. Again, 61.45 and 57.6 na tayo mag-aabang. Diyan tayo mag-accumulate. Okay? Ang next resistance target natin, pag na-break pa yung 65, eto na. Diretsuhin na natin. Baka dito na yan. 70 levels na yun. 70 levels. Okay? So, yan yung target natin. Okay? Potential trend reversal to si San Miguel. So, mga medium to long term din, abangan nyo to. Diba? So, abang tayo sa dip 61.45 and 57.6. Okay, so clear tayo rin, no? Potential trend reversal to. Watch this stock na. Guys, watch this stock. Okay, accumulate this stock on dips, on support zones. Okay, monitor nyo to. So, may nakita ko sa comment section kay Sir Edwin. Yeah, what about home? Ito na po yan. So, home is another potential trend reversal stock. Why? You can see, nag-attempt na siya to stay above the downtrend channel, no? So, yun ang basic natin to say, no? Basic way to say that. So, I'm removing muna some technical jargon sa mga advanced topics. So, right now, we're doing support and resistance and trend lines muna. Okay? So, ito ngayon yung key levels ni All Home. So, watch ni support dito sa 5.80 and 5.70. Resistance at 6.35 and 6.60. I suggest mag-accumulate kayo anything below 6 pesos. Preferably near 580, 590, and 570. Again, accumulate anywhere below 6 pesos, near 590, 580, and 570. You accumulate on support zone. Target natin, 6.35, 6.60, and eventually, ito pa, pwede pa mag-7 to 7.5. So, right now, kung potential trend reversal siya, ganyan natin i-draw yung trend line niya. Okay, so ito ngayon yung target natin, at least 7.5 to 8. Yun ang max target short term natin. Okay, monitor this stock. This is starting to be very interesting sa trend niya and given din sa RSI niya. Okay. So next, MWC. Yan. So ito hot stock to, no? In the past few days, no? Nag-breakout siya, no? So MWC, yun na. So what's the trend? Bullish, no? Right? Bullish ba yan? Bearish. Diba? Taas siya, no? So given bullish ang bias natin kay Manila Water, so assume natin itong mga previous na resistance during March, pwedeng ito na maging support niya for this month. So watch nitong levels na to. Sa mga gustong bumili ng Manila Water, so good news, nag-resist tong 13 levels today, no? Given may resistance diyan. So expect natin baka gayahin niya tong move na to. May 2 araw ulit na correction. So let's see kung magho-hold tong 12 pesos levels. So in anticipation to that, dito tayo bibili near 12 pesos and 12.27. Max support natin will be here at 11.74. Okay, dito tayo bibili. 11.74, 12 pesos and 12.27. Diyan tayo mag-aabang tomorrow, guys. Okay? So diyan tayo mag-aabang. Mga swing traders diyan, 'di ba? Given nagkaroon ng red candle here, nagkaroon ng shooting star, expect natin may pullback to. Diyan tayo mag-aabang. Okay? Diba? So hopefully ganito 'yung scenario ni MWC. Mag-hold to, 'di ba? Max na support natin 11.27. And then bebelo na siya para i-test na tong 14 pesos levels. Okay? Alright? And eventually, yung target natin all the way to 15 pesos. Okay, let's see. Let's see kung maganda potential nito. So, we do it muna day by day, week by week. So, mahirap pang sabihin na magta-20 pesos siya ngayon. Ayokong maging exage tayo. Kasi we do it resistance by resistance. Tulad nga na sinasabi ni Jepsy, yung partner ko dati sa TGP. We do it resistance by resistance. Okay, hindi ito rocket sheet na, ito agad, rocket sheet, 20 agad target ko. iwasan natin yung ganong emotion. Okay? Masusunog tayo pag ganun, guys. Manage your emotions, manage your expectations. Okay? Okay, but right now, we anticipate a dip here. So, bantayan natin to tomorrow para makabili kayo. Ha? Okay, next. Kumusta? Ayos ba yung mga previous nating stock picks? No? Hopefully, nakakatulong guys. Ha? Kumusta kayo dyan? Ha? 56 viewers. No? Hopefully, marami kayo natututunan. Ha? Kaway-kaway lang po. Kumusta po kayo? Enjoy po tayo. Okay? Sige lang, extend pa natin session natin. May mga stocks pang i-discuss. Okay? Okay. Guys, monitor nyo rin to. I'm seeing another potential trend reversal here. So, ano to, grocery din to, like pure gold, no? Sa mga kaibigan natin sa Cebu, no? Sikat to eh. Metro guys sa ano, no? Kumusta ba yung Metro guys sa ano dyan? Marami pa rin bang bumibili? Alright. So, we go now to technicals. Maging objective tayo ngayon. Okay? So, identify natin key levels. Guys, I want you to monitor these key levels. 170, 175. Dito tayo bibili. Again, monitor this stock. No? 170 and 175 support levels. Accumulate on this. In this sector, 170, 175. Resistance, 189 to 199. Possible, 220 target natin. To accumulate, in place a stop pag nag-breakdown siya below 170. Okay, yun ang stop loss natin. Okay, clear tayo doon. Potential trend reversal din tong stock na to. Given, ito na eh, medium term na breakout na siya. Breakout na siya sa medium term downtrend. So, let's see. Interesting to buy. Buy on dips, guys. Next, another potential trend reversal is now Corporation. Diba? Given, mag-attempt na siya to break out dito sa downtrend channel. So, anticipate natin, ito yung mga key levels, no? It should hold na dito sa 174. So, good news ngayon, no? Binibigyan tayo ng chance na i-test yung support zones. So, dito tayo bibili. So, anticipate natin, ito yung support zones, 174, 180. We can accumulate on this sector. Accumulate and then place stop pag nag-close siya below 174 and 170. Clear yan na. Target natin at least is 198 to 208. Na? Let's see. Maging strong pa tong stock na to. Ito na. Pwede pa siya mag 230. So we do it day by day, week by week, resistance by resistance. At right now, ito muna yung key level ng range na babantayan natin. Okay? So again, not for newbies ito. Not for newbies. So dapat ano to mga full-time na nagbabantay sa market. Yung mga may time na kung hindi man kayo full-time or part-time lang kayo sa market, dapat minamonitor nyo rin to at least twice a day. Ha? Hindi to pwede dun sa mga medium to long-term buyers muna. Okay? Given volatile din to, pwede siyang mag-breakdown below 174. Dapat naka-ready yung stop loss. Okay? Alright. So, next is SSP. Semicon, SFA Semicon, no? Another potential trend reversal, no? Another potential trend reversal, no? Medium term view pa yan, no? Diba? Yan, no? Potential trend reversal siya, no? So, bantayan to. So, possible, no? V reversal yung ginagawa niya ngayon, no? So, key levels to watch on this stock is 111 and 116, no? So, 111 and 116. Dito tayo bibili. Dito tayo mag-aabang. Okay? Target at least should be 130 and 146. Initial target natin yan. Okay? So, clear tayo rin, no? So, let's see. So, assuming yun na yung ina-anticipate natin na trend kay SFA Semicon, no? So, yan. So, we buy on dips. We will try to buy on dips, no? Sa mga, I suggest mga full-time traders na mag-monitor nito, given volatile din siya, and hindi pa ganun ka-healthy yung volume. So, small amounts muna invest, no? Huwag kayong mag-all in dito sa stock na to. Again, given yung volume niya is mahina pa. So, huwag muna kayo, kumbaga, low position, small position size muna, no? Huwag mag-all in, no? And yun nga so possible magre-range trade muna ito. So, monitor lang natin kung mag-hold tong support, no? Okay? So, medyo, kumbaga may threat tayo ngayon ng bearish divergence, no? So, pag tuloy-tuloy pa yung pagbaba niya, so possible din na pag-breakdown pa siya below 111. Okay, so right now, monitor lang muna natin itong support na to, 111, 116. Tingnan natin, pwede mag-accumulate as long as nag-hold yan. So, then range trade nyo lang siya. Buy near here, buy on these support zones and sell dito sa resistance zones. 125 and up. 125, 130, pwede na kayong bumili. Pwede na kayo magbenta ron. No? Range trade lang muna, chupi-chupita. Okay, pag nag-break ang 130, saka nyo siya i-hold. No? Pag nag-break above 130. Assuming makabili tayo rito, ha? 111 and 116 levels. Okay, clear? Cue mo ba? Small size lang guys, ha? Ang range trade muna. Okay? The strategy, yung final strategy for tonight will be on this stock. So, finiture ko tong Sirtec because gusto kong i-test natin ang strategy natin when it comes to bounce play. When it comes sa fill the gap scenario. Gusto kong testingin natin, gusto kong matutunan nyo tonight, ang tawag dito ay fill the gap strategy. Okay? So, na-anticipate natin na si Sirtec, given, nag-breakdown siya below 8 pesos, naging bearish siya. Okay? RSI niya, naging bearish din, no? Nag-breakdown na yung 60 RSI, nag-breakdown pa siya below 50 RSI. So, right now, ina-anticipate natin ni bearish scenario itong si Sirtec. And itetest nyo ngayon itong, ano itetest nyo mga support levels ngayon, di ba? Ito ngayon guys, no? Potentially, ito yun. Ito yung itetest nyo ngayon. Yung mga previous resistance niya nung March, pwedeng yun yung support niya for this month. Again, yung previous resistance niya last March, i-assume natin ngayon na yun yung support niya this month. And ano pa, meron tayong gap here nung April 16. So, sabi nga, may mga kasabihan sa trading industry na mind the gap, always mind the gap. Okay? Merong mga potential fill the gap scenario na nangyayari. And ito yun, always mind the gap. Kumbaga yung gap, babalikan at babalikan yun kahit anong mangyari. Okay, and right now, ito yung scenario dito. May fill the gap scenario tayo dito sa April 15. So, let's see. Tingnan natin kung itetest pa yan tomorrow, no? So, abang tayo dito. 720, saka dito sa 686. Particularly, hintayin natin pag nag-break pa sa below 720. Ito na yung next para support natin, no? 686, saka yung 7 pesos levels. Okay? Let's see. You can bounce, diba? Bounce play objective ang gusto kong ituro sa inyo for tonight, no? We will buy near the gap support at itong mga previous na resistance levels. So, ito na. Assume natin ito yung buying opportunity. 686, 7 pesos, and 720. Okay, resistance target. Pag nakabili kayo doon, 8 pesos and 8.47. Ayan. Okay. Alright, so yun ang strategy natin guys ha. Tingnan natin ha. Sa mga active traders dyan, mga chupiteros, we buy on these support zones and we sell on these zones, diba? On these resistance levels, on these resistance zones. Okay, bounce play, objective lang tayo, chupita muna. Okay, so clear tayo doon. Okay, clear, hopefully clear, mga chupiteros dyan. Take note. Okay, so let's go. So, okay. So, May 2020 strategy. So, i-generalize na natin. So, range bias tayo sa index. So, watch 5-4 psychological support levels. Why? As discussed a while ago, yun yung trigger natin para sa sell in May and go away. Okay? So, watch the 5-4 psychological support zones. Okay? And short-term bounce play and intraday swing opportunities through volatility and selected index and second liners for active investors. So, yun yung tinuro natin ngayon. No? Pwede nyo siyang i-swing play, range trade, bounce play. Diba? Yun yung mga strategies na tinuro ko ngayon. Yung buy and support, sell and resistance. Pag nag-resist pa rin, talaga isa-sell natin. Pag nag-break ang resistance, you hold the stock. Okay? Alright. So, range trade strategy, okay, as discussed, buy on support zone, sell on resistance zone, so profit objective. And then, you can accumulate sa mga passive investors here, sa mga medium to long term, as long as nag-hold ng 5-4, as long as hindi nati-trigger and sell in May and go away, you can accumulate in small position size. Okay, you buy on dips on selected index and second liners na na-discuss natin tonight. So preferably sa support zones, guys. Abang tayo ron. So be patient. Mag-abang lang. Huwag kayong magmadali. Okay? No rush. Alright? So trend is your friend until it bends. So focus on the trend. Diba? Potential trend reversal siya. Tinuro ko tonight. Pag uptrend pa rin siya, nakita niyo naman yung mga charts. Okay? Knowing the trend helps you to ride the winners. It gives you the opportunity to ride the winners, the uptrend stocks, and avoid the losers. Ayaw natin doon sa mga downtrend stocks. Okay, that's the reason why I filtered out na yung mga stocks to monitor tonight. Okay, I want you to avoid the losers. Kaya, filter out ko na siya. Okay, this webinar is very special. So, hopefully, makatulong. Okay, hopefully, makatulong yung pag-filter out natin using the trend. Using the trend is your friend until it bends principle. Okay, ito gusto ko, take note nyo palagi. Plan your trade and trade your plan. Okay, no to FOMO, fear of missing out. Yun ang hirap eh. So, as much as possible, I want you to develop your own trading plan. Your own, gawa kayo ng sarili yung trading plan as much as possible. And sundin nyo yun. Kasi pag meron kayong sariling trading plan, may iwasan yung FOMO, fear of missing out. May iwasan yung hype and dump. Kung titingin lang kayo sa mga Facebook groups, kung ano yung nire-recommend nila, ba, ano yung nakita niyo sa forums, may sikat na tao ron, binili yun, susundin nyo na. I want you to avoid that. I want you to avoid that trap because yun yung mga mistakes ko in the past. Yun ang mistakes ko na in the past na di ako gumagawa ng trading plan, titingin lang ako sa Facebook, kung ano yung nakita ko dun ng sikat na tao, yun na agad yung bibilin ko, hindi ko pag-aaralan man lang. Diba? Mas maganda may sarili kayong study, develop your own trading plan, and follow it. Diba? Kaya nga kayo may trading plan. Eh. Pag finalo nyo yun, mas magiging okay kayo sa market. May plan talaga kayo sa market. Meron kayong entry, exit, strategy. Diba? Then, no risk management, no trade. Diba? Pag wala kayong risk management, if you don't know where to enter, if you don't know where to stop, diba? Saan ang cut loss, pag bumaba ng stock, if you don't have a level, a key level to take profit, wala kayong risk management. If you don't know how to play it sa small position size muna, given alam naman natin ang market ngayon, tricky pa din, di ba? Di pa natin alam kung nag-bottom na siya at 4,000, di ba? Magiging aggressive ba kayo ngayon o hindi? Di ba? Those are the things, di ba? Those are the questions din to ponder when it comes to risk management. Position size, where will I go? Saan ako bibili? Key levels. Where will I enter the trade? What prices? Where will I take profit? Ano yung mga resistance levels? Where will I cut loss? Diba? Saan yung mga stop loss ko na levels pag na-break yung support? Diba? Diba? Ilang percentage ng portfolio ko ang iaalat ko sa ganitong trade? Diba? Mag-all in ba ako? Defensive muna. 10% lang ang portfolio ko muna lalaruin ko. 5%, 20%. Those are the things to ponder when it comes to risk management. And you don't have those parameters, don't trade. Kasi that's the best thing to lose money if you don't have risk management. Okay? Plan your trade and trade your plan. No risk management, no trade. Okay? No to FOMO. Okay? Again, your prime goal is to survive and ride the market reset for another bull run once the pandemic ends. Again, your goal is to survive and ride the market reset for another bull run once the pandemic ends. And then, sa mga clients natin na nanonood ngayon, so monitor nyo lang ang trader's game plan for technical analysis and on-target fundamental analysis by our research team for daily updates and stock picks. Okay? Okay? Alright. So, special report natin to. Okay, gusto kong i-discuss sa inyo yung ABS-CBN. Okay? So, if this special report was featured last May 8, 2020, last week sa Traders Game Plan. Okay. So, right now we are anticipating kasi na anytime i-announce na ni PSE ang resumption ng trading suspension, di ba? I mean, resumption ng trading ni ABS-CBN. Okay, when in anticipation to that, so gumawa ako ng strategy sa Traders Game Plan. Okay? So, inassume ko kasi na, okay, sige, may mga bad news ngayon sa ABS-CBN. Di ba? Sabihin na natin, wala silang franchise at the moment. Di ba? So, sa stock market kasi, ang rule ko, price discounts everything. Again, sa stock market, ang pinaka rule ko is price discounts everything. Di ba? So, lahat ng nakikita niyo news sa labas, di ba? Sa mga internet, sa TV, sa radyo, sa newspapers, di-discount na yun ni market. Di ba? Kung ano nakikita niyo yung price action ni market, di ba? Ano nakikita niyo yung price action sa stock, discounted palagi yun. Given, dito na yun eh, nagmi-meet ang buyers and sellers, pina-factor in niya palagi yun. Okay? So, in anticipation sa bad news, okay? In anticipation sa bad news ng ABS-CBN, gumawa kami ng bearish scenario. Okay? So, inassume natin na possible, yeah, mag-floor price si ABS-CBN, no? Diba? Given bad news siya eh, diba? Sarado franchise, walang TV. So, lahat, kumbaga, bearish ngayon, no? So, in anticipation to that, we recommend dito bibili yung mga investors. We recommend to buy for intraday bounce play near 12 and 10.25. Okay, dito yon 12 and 10.95. So, I featured a chart, yung ano to, I think weekly or monthly chart to ni ABS-CBN. Kumbaga, ito yung mga support levels niya eh. Teka, kita natin dito. Check ko lang guys. Yan, para mas clear. No? Yan, ipapakita lang ako sa inyo para mas clear ka. Mas clear. So, yan. So, ito kasi yung chart ni ABS-CBN. So, monthly chart to. No? Okay? So, in anticipation sa bad news, ito na. Inassume natin, mag-hold na yung support. Hinahanap natin yung support zones. Yun ang first objective natin. And ito yung nakita ko. Merong support dito, yung 2009. Okay? So, ito, merong support zones ng 2009 dito sa 10-12 pesos levels. And dito, noong 2006 naman, or sagad pa natin, noong 2005 dito, 10.25, near 10 levels. So, dito yung in-identify natin na support. No? Again, meron dito sa 12 pesos. And meron ulit dito sa 10.25. No? So, yan. So, yan yung mga worst case scenario na pwede tayo bumili. Given ina-assume ko na may possible na once mag-open ang market, once mag-resume ang trading ni ABS-CBN. So, lahat yan, siyempre, may magpapanic selling, mga investor, lahat. So, yeah, tingnan natin kung magkaroon tayo ng opportunity na kung saan magbabounce na itong mga support zones niya. Kumbaga, multi-year high na support zones to. 2005 saka 2009. Okay? So, let's see kung mag-hold tong support zone sa to. And eventually, yun na yun eh, may bounce play siya. Diba? After that, may bounce play pabalik ng at least 13 to 15 levels. No? Let's see. So, may opportunity tayo rin, no? Knowing that one, diba, kung makabili tayo, for example, at least dito, diba? So, kung makabili tayo sa 11, no, 12, benta tayo sa 14 pesos, at least may mga 20% potential kayo dun. Diba? So, let's see. So, abangan natin yan. So, ngayon tuturo ko sa inyo yung pag-anticipate sa bounce play. No? Intraday bounce play. Okay? So, if you're going to trade ABS-CBN, bantayan nyo yan sa intraday. No? So, I strongly suggest bantayan nyo siya pwede sa 5 minutes, sa 15 minutes. Doon nyo kasi makikita eh. Once you see meron na doon mga support zones sa 5-minute or 15-minute chart, pag nag-hold na yung sabihin natin 12 pesos, 10 pesos levels, yun, pwede na kayong bumili. Okay? So, ganun. Let's see. Yun ang game plan natin. Ang game plan ko sa ABS-CBN is to watch for intraday bounce play. Okay? So let's see kung mag-hold yung mag-hold yung 12 pesos saka 10.25. Okay? Let's see. Okay? Sa mga brave souls dyan, gusto na interested mag-trade ng ABS-CBN. So, hopefully may natutunan kayo tonight. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Yun yung game plan natin. Okay? Once mag-resume yung trading niya. Diba? Ngayon, hinihintay pa natin yung announcement ni PSE. Okay? And hopefully, this week na. Okay? Pag wala pa din, so, abang-abang muna. Okay? So, promote ko na rin. So, we have this special group, yung UTrade for UTrade exclusive members, no? So, yung title siya UTrade exclusive. So, this group was established for UTrade clients, no? This is where we do weekly webinars. So, with Q&A. So, yun yung kinaganda. Pag member kayo ng group na to, pag nagwe-webinar kasi kami dito, may Q&A. So, habang live siya, may Q&A segment, no? And we do daily reports and market updates. No? Dito rin namin nilalagay on target and traders gate. Okay, so hopefully sign up now. So, hopefully makatulong tong video na to na ma-encourage ko kayo to join our group. Again, tatanungin niyo ako, may bayad ba to? Meron ba tong bayad to enter this group? So wala po. Again, wala pong bayad. This is free and exclusive for you trade clients. Again, may bayad po ba tong group na to? Wala po. This is free and exclusive for you trade clients. All you need to do is open up an account, di ba? So